Hello, teacher. I am Lady Infante, not a student of the subject of English. I work from home as a project leader. I am systems engineering student. I am 32 years old. In my free time, I like to go to the gym, make cakes, and sing, swim, and share with my family. I am married. I live in Bogota with my husband and daughter, who is 11 years old. I live in a two-room apartment, living room, and a bathroom. My bathroom is small and has pink and blue curtains. The walls are white. There is a lamp on the desk. Is and a keyboard and my laptop next to this is a dresser. That's a little of my personal life. Thank you very much.